You might disappear without warning today. You scroll, compare, and feel stuck in someone else's life. Life's harshly short, so why waste it? Act, speak, think like it's your final scene. Picture your last words. Would Marcus Aurelius approve? Ready for the sentence that could flip your next 24 hours? He's Rome's most fascinating man, forget the Dos Equis legend. Absolute power usually destroys people fast. But Marcus shocked Rome. He broke that curse forever. Not born royal, picked like a draft. Marcus and Nero, same age, opposite fates. One chose wisdom, the other unleashed pure chaos. First move as emperor? Marcus shares power unheard of. Studying Marcus flipped my world. Here's what you'll gain. His wisdom hits hardest when your life starts to unravel. Believe it. That's not just history. Marcus became my guide. Over 10 years obsessing about Marcus Aurelius. Still hooked, he's too gripping to quit. Are you? Feel lost? Marcus Aurelius survived worse storms. Let's steal his ageless Stoic secrets now. In chaos, Marcus pulled off something legendary. Picture it, loss everywhere, despair spreading faster than fire. Everyone's drowning in fear. So what's Marcus about to risk next? He walks the palace, tagging treasures, willing to lose everything for you. For months, he sells imperial jewels outside, no ego, just pure action. Robes, jewels, couches, everything's yours. No second thoughts. But his sacrifices show you actions speak loudest. His actions proved it. People always come first. He tosses luxury. You see, I'm not my stuff. He declares, if you're down, I've got you. Stuff can't matter now. Tiny sacrifices, huge impact, like CEOs slashing pay when time's tight. Ever wish your team could thrive even while the clock's ticking? You notice real leaders ditch comfort just like Marcus Aurelius did. That's greatness, putting your people before your comfort. Epic, right? Stuck? Marcus Aurelius faced worse. No Wi-Fi, no excuses. You hit a wall, but Stoics spotted secret doors everywhere. Obstacle in your way? That's your path. Marcus said, the obstacle is your way. But here's the truth. Resilience means facing hard. He showed resilience. Here's how you bounce back. One door closes, so what? You hold more power than you realize. Every second you get to practice virtue, even blocked. Events strike out of your hands. But your response, that's where you're unstoppable. Life hurls chaos your way. What now? SM means choosing your comeback. When one door closes, another opens. Obstacles appear, people block you. But here's what nobody can ever steal. No one can block your patience or your decision to forgive, ever. They can't stop your growth or your next move. Ever felt trapped? Here's the wild part. Nothing blocks your power to change. Nobody can stop you adapting unless you let them. The Stoics realized every setback can launch you forward. Stoics turn obstacles into new paths. Obstacles aren't barriers, they're secret doors. You can't get trapped here. No force can take away your next move. That's unstoppable power. Deep down, you sense what's right for you. Knowing isn't hard. Doing it is. Marcus Aurelius exposed this gap. You could be great today, yet you wait. Time's ticking. You promise, I'll start that diet tomorrow. The Stoics call out your clever excuses. You claim, I'll clean up tomorrow. No chance. Seneca's not buying it. If knowing worked, you'd have abs and sparkling rooms. But knowing isn't enough, right? Here's the catch. We nod along, but action is the struggle. Action is your secret weapon. Here's the twist. Stoicism demands practice, not armchair theory. Picture yourself with all the wisdom. It's worthless if you freeze. It's not your words, it's your choices. So, what will you actually do? What's one move you'll make right now? Here's the crazy part. Marcus Aurelius said, step by step, unstoppable. Nobody, not even fate, can steal your next step. That's your superpower. It takes guts to say, I'm anxious because of me, not the world. Here's what most people miss. Naming worries is scarier than gladiators. You'd think less chaos means peace. My brain totally disagreed, hilariously. If only anxiety vanished with calm. But less on your plate? Still plenty to worry about. Sneaky, right? But everyone faces storms. Here's how Marcus responded. He learned, it's almost never outside stuff. Marcus Aurelius cracked this code. He wrote, I escaped anxiety by changing my thoughts. Ever catch yourself blaming life for yours? Marcus just tossed it, like old sandals. He did this during a plague, mind you. Turns out, the real storm was inside me. Lightning bolt moment, honestly. I blamed stress on everything: work, family, even my neighbour's goat. But when you strip it all back, surprise, your own mind is the real chaos creator. Suddenly, you realise, wait, the chaos was coming from you all along. Marcus Aurelius had a disciplined morning routine. He woke up early, even though he was emperor. He didn't have to, he made himself do it anyway. Were you born to stay cozy, or to live like so Marcus? He gets up, journals, and then attacks his biggest task. No time wasted. First thing, journaling. Ancient productivity hack. Marcus did it before you woke up. These are the private thoughts of history's top emperor. He scribbled secrets for himself, not for followers. Why? Because it made him unstoppable. Day's biggest challenge. No doom scrolling, just action. Ever catch yourself losing focus? Marcus locked in like a gladiator. Imagine if you did the same. Treat today like it's your last. Marcus Aurelius literally did this. His secret ritual laser-focused his mind for everything coming next. He never left it to chance. Starting strong could flip your whole day. Starting is half the battle. Your morning literally rewires your day. Build a morning ritual so fierce, you'll outpace chaos before it hits. Self-discipline. Only you can launch yourself out of bed. Nobody else can do your push-ups. Your progress is in your hands. When it comes to leveling up, you're racing against yourself. Marcus dropped this. Be patient with others, ruthless with yourself. That's the Stoic secret sauce. It's about leveling up yourself, not controlling everyone around you. Master yourself, not your neighbours. Stoicism is for self-mastery, not superiority. You set the rules, your life, your path, your discipline. Discipline's yours alone, like watching someone miss a step. Let that sink in. Everyone stumbles, let them walk their path. Ever catch yourself thinking people are your biggest stress? You're not alone. Marcus felt it too. Read Meditations? You'll spot Marcus battling humanity's chaos. He literally opens weight. Challenges become the path meant people. Marcus knew it wasn't just obstacles. People block your path, test patience, but Marcus flips frustration into fuel. Here's the crazy part. Every obstacle hides an opening if you dare. Annoying people? They're your free daily Stoic training ground. Be just even when you're surrounded by injustice. That's Stoicism. Calm in chaos even when drama explodes everywhere. That's real courage. Everyone else panics or takes shortcuts. But you? You level up Stoic mode on. Annoying people secretly unlock your upgrade path. Here's your challenge. Face difficult people, grow stronger, not bitter. Don't curse annoying people, thank them. They're sharpening your Stoic edge. You're running non-stop. I get it, but what are you actually chasing? Marcus challenges you. Does this matter, or are you just spinning wheels? Most of our daily hustle? Totally unnecessary. Painful, right? Marcus Aurelius warned, we chase things just to fit. In 2024 study proves it. Are you actually living, or just stuck replaying someone else's script? Here's the gut punch. If tomorrow vanished, would any of this matter? Would you keep grinding or finally let go? Ask yourself, is this truly essential? Cut the noise, freedom explodes in. Less clutter, more clarity. more life for you. Do fewer things, but crush them. Marcus would nod. So ask, is this worth your precious time? Don't just do question. Every thought, every act, every word you say ripples. Rule 1. Amor fati, love your fate, even the weird stuff. It didn't happen to you, it happened for you. Use it, make it rocket fuel. Marcus said, fire feeds on obstacles. 2. Stoicism isn't just for you, it's for everyone you touch. Marcus wrote, the fruit of a life is good works and integrity. You're not just here to win, Stoics lifted others up. Stoicism isn't selfish, it's not about outsmarting the world for yourself. The real test, do you make your world better? Are you leaving your community stronger, or just filling space? Time's ticking, Marcus warned. You could vanish tomorrow. Memento mori. Let that fact drive every word, every choice you make. Live like your actions are your legacy, Marcus's challenge to you. Life's fragile. The pandemic proved it. Don't waste your shot at greatness. Those are 3 Stoic rules you can use right now. Still curious? Learning Stoicism costs you nothing.